This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, August 28th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have pretty much a wavy pattern, a zonal flow. A little bit of a disturbance to our west, and that's the disturbance that's going to bring the rain showers and thunderstorms back into the state once again. Could be quite heavy rains possible, especially in our western counties where there is a flash flood watch in effect. Otherwise, highs today will be mainly in the 70s to around 80 with a lot of clouds around outside of the showers. Friday, the shower chances are a little bit less. There could be some peaks of sunshine around, and that could warm temperatures up into the lower and middle 80s in our southern counties. Otherwise, mid to upper 70s elsewhere across the state. Friday night football is going to be rather wet, especially in our eastern counties, and this will slowly move to the east here on Saturday. The Iowa and Northern Iowa game at Kinnick and Iowa City, the Iowa State North Dakota State game at Jack Trice could see some showers around, but looks to be mainly partly to mostly cloudy. And that break doesn't last long because Sunday, here comes the system again. There could be some severe weather with this system, especially just to our west, that may scoot into the western counties of the state. This will be sweeping through the state Sunday night into Labor Day Monday. So some showers and thunderstorms could be possible. Some heavy rains once again. Some flooding is possible, especially in the central and western counties. And then it clears out just in time for the holiday weekend to end and time for everybody to go back to work. The sky clears, the sun's back out, and everybody's at work, and the temperatures are in the 70s to around 80. Going into Wednesday, though, this break doesn't last long either. A warm front looks to move back northward. This could bring some showers and thunderstorms once again across the state. It'll be fairly scattered. Not everybody's going to see rain out of this. And then that front moves northward, and you can see this ridge here next Thursday over the south and east, trough digging in across the west. And that's going to be our next storm system, but this is beyond our 7-day period, and this is going to be sweeping into the northern plains. You'll see a low pressure center, one over Saskatchewan, one over North Dakota. Strong southerly winds, so it could be quite warm next Thursday. Readings could be well into the 80s if this is right. Going further into the extended period, this is on September the 8th. We have pretty much a zonal flow across the northern tier of the country. That's going to mean some quick-moving storm systems will be quickly moving across the northern tier of the country. And at this point, we'll have one moving off the east coast, frontal system down across the mid-south into the central and southern plains. Low-pressure center to our west could bring a few showers in the Dakotas. And then as we go to the end of the period on September the 12th, we have a ridge over the south and east. Pretty decent trough trying to dig in across the west, otherwise fairly zonal and flat at that point. With some disturbances coming through, one will be over Minnesota, and that's going to bring some more showers and thunderstorms. This could bring possibly some severe weather if this looks to be the correct, but it's still more than 2 weeks out, and this could be gone on the very next model run. In the satellite image from last evening, we had some showers and thunderstorms across the central plains, few over the Ohio River Valley. We had Cristobal just off the east coast moving north and east and away, and otherwise clear elsewhere across the country. The watch warning map from last evening, flash flood watches in southwestern and west central Iowa, northwest Missouri, back into eastern Colorado. The yellow in Montana is a amber alert, and some fog and air quality issues in the south and east. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall could be significant. Possibly 2 to 4 inches in a swath from around Omaha through about Fort Dodge to Rochester into northern Wisconsin, and also some heavy rain across the central Gulf Coast.